Howdy. Earthquake watch in Europe. Yes, we have quakes. We have one here up in Spitsbergen, Svalbard. Some 10 hours ago, 2.7. 2 kilometers in depth, which isn't really deep. We have glaciers and all kinds of things there. Bad resolution pictures. Yeah, you don't get anything out of these. And I have been reported about this swarm or this line of quakes, which is somewhere here. And now we have one on land in Svalbard, but we have also to check out here. Check it out. There is a quake in Puhos. That's not too far from here. 2.9 depth, 0 kilometers as always. This happened yesterday. And yeah, there's the Kursk magnetic anomaly. You can see those lines here as well. I have been making videos about these. This is continuing up here. And the surface conductivity anomaly, but I won't dive into this now because there's many other places. As we have here. This might be a curry blast. It isn't. 1 kilometer in depth, 1.8. These are probably cryptodomes. They're broken. That's a very interesting area. And it is forested, so it tells us that it's not suitable for agriculture due to geological reasons. 56 minutes ago, 1.5, 4 kilometers in depth. For those unaware, Lager See, Lager Lake, East Eifel volcanic field. So we are very close to that. Some 6 kilometers from the Lager Lake has a quake occurred just recently. And there's another one here. 12 hours ago, 0.5. One user report. Both my husband and I were in bed trying to sleep, looked at each other and said, "Is the bed swaying a bit?" It was very weak, but we have experienced 2 stronger earthquakes before and know the feeling. I checked this website afterward to confirm that quake, probably. Read more about this quake. No? But 0.5. And there's a user report. This is very interesting. I think 2 hours ago, 1.5, no user reports on that. Similar depth. And now we have to go to northern Italy. Yeah, actually here we have to stop by as well. For those unaware, we have Kaiserstuhl volcano in the middle. One quake 2 hours ago. 1 kilometer in depth. And that's a deeper one from yesterday. 50 kilometers in depth. No, that's rather deep for Central Europe. But now, there would be so many other things to talk about, but that's very interesting. You can see the white rivers, okay? This is Tagliamento, or however you spell it. It's a alkaline river, the last river in Europe which is not tamed. .5 and 8 kilometers in depth. Let's check out the reports. My big and heavy bookshelf started vibrating, so did my palm plant. I felt a broom shaking and heard keys rattling at the door. It passed by very quickly, almost like a rumbling truck passing my house. Woke me up from sleeping, woke up my children, felt like we were being shaken and rattled. All the house woke up and panicked. It was short but loud and hard vibration. Bofar Pro. So, Bofabro. I have no idea where Bofabro is. Probably don't find it. But if we watch from here, you can see the white rivers very easily. There are many of those. So these are the big ones. If we go closer into where the quake is, there is more of these white rivers. And there is even one small here, which is somehow going straight to the quake location. And the quake location doesn't really... I don't trust them too much. They could be off by hundreds of meters. 1 hour ago, 0.89 kilometers in depth. So there is quite much earthquake activity going on. And we can expect this just to increase. Actually, we could check out quickly volcanoes. Is there any quakes happening near volcanoes in the Mediterranean or Atlantic Ocean? There is a deeper one, 39 minutes ago, 82 kilometers at depth, 2.4. Not bad. Yes, check it out. 10 hours ago, 17 kilometers in depth. El Hierro, La Palma, rattling. It won't stop. Deide, 7 hours ago, 7 hours ago, 7 hours ago. So they happened all at the same time. In the morning. Yes, I think it is very interesting to follow this. There is actually also a quake very close to the proximity of this volcano 49 minutes ago. 5 kilometers in depth, 1.6 in magnitude. Yes, the next weeks, they might be very interesting. Watching quakes and following how the water situation is developing. How long is the drought still continuing before it flips to the other extreme? And the rockfall in Switzerland, it seems that it had slowed down a bit, but it won't stop. It will come down at once. Let's see. There might be something to really report about in a few days. If nothing else happens. But anyway, I leave it here. Be aware of the earthquake situation. This might just increase, so it might disrupt whatever electricity, water supply, and all these kind of things. Roads could be damaged. So the supply chain could be even further disrupted, and so on. And even tunnels which go through the mountains, they could be damaged as well. There is at least one big, very important tunnel in Switzerland, the Gotthard Tunnel. I don't know what would happen if it just would collapse at one place. So it would be very hard to fix. It would take very long to fix. The whole route would be closed for a very long time. It would be very difficult, especially in wintertime when you cannot drive over the Alps since there might be very much snow. So you have to drive around them. But anyway, I'll leave it here. Thanks and see you. Bye.